Alright guys, we're just outside of Highlands, North Carolina. The first waterfall we're going to today on this little journey is going to be Dry Creek. And parking, ample parking. Waterfall's right down there, short walk. And we'll see you at the bottom. Okay, when you get to Dry Falls, you park right up here. This little area is plenty of parking, $3 for a single vehicle. You come down these stairs right here, then you continue down this stairs right here. It's not very many steps to the falls. It's fairly easy unless you have bad knees, bad legs, or you're just lazy. So you continue down. After the first real flight of stairs, you come to a little area right here that has a sign with different information on it, rules, stuff of that nature. Then we're going to continue on down the stairs, some more stairs. Right here, several flights of stairs that you gotta go down. So it's not the easiest, but it is a really easy way to get to a decent waterfall. And by decent, it's a gorgeous waterfall. So we're going to continue down a little trail like this, and I'll catch up with you in a minute. Alright, we're going to continue down the trail, come to some more steps, and within a few hundred feet you got the waterfall right there. It's really nice, and this is the hardest we've ever seen it flowing, so really gorgeous to see. Like I said, easy to get to. We're going to continue on, and I'll see you in a second. Alright, we came from about 100-yard walk. We're already down to the waterfall. Got this little trail behind me. It leads behind the waterfall, and this one you can actually walk behind. It's really nice, really beautiful, and super easy hike, like I said. So we're going to continue down just a little bit more. Alright, I'm going to talk a little bit louder to make sure y'all can hear me, because the waterfall is really hard today, and I want to make sure you're able to hear everything I have to say. You're just this easy concrete trail. It's very up and down, has a few steps of stairs. Come on. The waterfall is we'll continue behind it. Yet again, I'm talking a little bit loud. Hopefully you're able to hear. There's a trail going behind me. You can go all the way around and stop right over there. Right there. You can walk behind it, give you a look behind it. Still talking loud, my phone's probably about to get soaked, but it's all gonna be okay. Woo! Really beautiful. Almost smells like salt water. And that's what it goes down into. Nice little rushing river. Alright guys, we're back up at the top of the falls. Fun little hike. It's great for somebody who just wants a short walk for a beautiful piece of nature. It's not very hard. Several stairs, a little bit of a incline, decline, going up and down, but overall easy for pretty much all age ranges, all experience levels. When you park, You walk down these stairs right over here, and from there you have maybe a 3-minute walk, a few hundred yards, and you're to the falls. It was good seeing you on this one, and we got a couple more on the day, and we'll see you on those. All right, our second waterfall is Bridal Veil Falls. One thing really cool about this one, road right here, main road. Then you have the waterfall we came from, it's back that way, and I want to say maybe a mile, not too far. And this is Bridal Veil Falls. Used to, you could drive behind it. They put this little barrier up, so we're gonna walk behind it and give you that. This is Bridal Veil Falls, second one that we're going to that you can walk behind. Beautiful area, beautiful little fall, and there's my car. Like I said, there's the road. You can literally park at it and enjoy the fall. Goes down to that little ditch, and I guess runs off probably a little creek or another little fall over there. But nice little outcropping right here. And this is Bridal Veil Falls. Alright guys, this is the third waterfall of the day. This is Hemlock Falls, I believe it is. If I'm wrong, I'll put in the video. With this, you come down a series of roads that's in the middle of a country club. So it's all private property. There's no issue with you coming here, but just be curious of everybody. Come down some winding roads, come to a roundabout, and there's little areas for you to park right up here. So you go down a very short walkway right here, maybe 100 feet to the waterfalls, which we will see here in a second. And this is what you come to. It's Freestyle Waterfall. Yet again, the rain has it running a lot harder than it usually does. So it comes down and trickles down Knuckle Creek. It comes from a golf course on private property, so you gotta navigate that to get here. And there's a little path sometimes I climb. I'm not going to today since it's been so much rain, but you can climb up right here and get about halfway up the falls and get some good pictures. Got some nice flowers right here, and this is another one you can just park at and walk to. Alright guys, we're at a bonus waterfall. We're just driving on the highway, and we came up on a spot where a lot of people were parked, and we seen a few people standing on the side of the road. So I stopped, got out my vehicle, and got this waterfall behind me. I don't know how good you can see it, but I'll flip the camera around and show you. All right, this is the waterfall. It's obviously a pretty popular little spot. You got people climbing the rocks over there. They're getting the top up here and jumping down into the pool right there at the base of the falls. Looks like a pretty fun time. It just carries on down from the falls down that way. All right, this is just a bonus little fall. We didn't plan on stopping at this one or nothing. All right guys, we're back home in South Georgia. The waterfalls were great. That's the reason we want to move up there. The waterfalls, the hiking, the scenery, and all the things to do that we can't do down here. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned of a few close attractions in case you go to that area, and I'll be seeing you soon.